To turn a watermelon into a fruit bowl, you need a watermelon, a cutting board, and a serrated knife. This fruit bowl will have a handle. That's why it's cut this way. I am cutting the watermelon this way so that it has a handle and it's not just a regular bowl, it's a little bit more like a basket. And I'll be able to carry it later, which I unfortunately didn't get any footage of. And if you just wrap the handle in plastic wrap, your hands won't get wet. You might notice I'm struggling to cut the watermelon just a bit. It's because my serrated knife is a bit dull and I can't sharpen serrated knives. And unfortunately, a straight edge doesn't cut the outside of the skin. But if I can make a line, which I figured out just a little bit later, and I make a line in the watermelon, I can then use a straight edge to finish the cut. I have the wrong knife. Nobody wants a sticker on their watermelon. Remember, watermelons are round like a ball, which means you can slip while cutting, so be extra careful, especially if your knife is dull like mine. Now that it's starting to take shape, I need to grab a spoon so I can start scooping out some watermelon. Alright, I'm starting to make progress. It's almost finished. Here is my fruit bowl with some fruit put in it. And the fruit is just what I could find. Because, coronavirus.